Hi, welcome back. In this video, we'll be deploying a theme to DotNest using the media theme and the media theme deployment module. The media theme deployment module allows us to deploy a theme to DotNest from source control or storage providers like Dropbox, Amazon S3, and source controls like GitHub and Bitbucket. Let's have an example for deploying a theme using the media theme and the media theme deployment module. First, we need to set the media theme as the current theme for our DotNest tenant. After setting the media theme as the current theme, we need to enable the media theme deployment module. Let's search for theme and enable the media theme deployment module. Now, after enabling the media theme deployment module, we need to push the theme files, that is the CSS file inside a styles folder, script files inside a script folder, then a placement.info file and the theme.txt file inside a folder to GitHub, Bitbucket, or storage providers like Amazon S3 or Dropbox. For this example, we'll be using GitHub, the source control. Now, this is the repo on GitHub, my .NET theme, and I have cloned that repo, my .NET theme. Now we need to have a folder inside this repo, and inside that folder we need to have a script folder, a styles folder, the placement.info file, and the theme.txt file. Now this is the folder which is having all those files and folders. Style is having the site.css file, scripts is having the jQuery minified JS file, we have the placement and the theme.txt file. Let's copy this folder and paste it inside the my.nest theme repo, and let's push these files and these folders to GitHub. Pushing theme files. Let's push it to GitHub. Done. Now let's go to GitHub and refresh. And here is the my theme folder, and the my theme folder is having all the files and folders inside it. Now let's grab the download, the zip download link, that is the you can see the link here. Let's copy this link and let's come back to the tenant and click on themes and then click on media theme deployment configuration. Now we need to set the URL for the theme package, and this is the URL, my.NET theme /archive/master.zip file, and let's save this. Now after saving this, we need to queue or start the deployment so that .NET can create a media theme folder inside the media folder and then push those files, the styles folder and the scripts folder inside the media theme folder. Let's click on queue now, and here is the information telling us there is a deployment queued currently. Let's click on reports to view the report for this deployment. It might take few seconds for the report to come on the screen. Let's click on it, and it is successful. Let's go to media, and here is the media theme folder having the scripts folder, the styles folder. The style folder is having the site.css file, and overall, that is the media theme folder, is having the placement.info file. Now let's go back to the front end of the tenant and click on refresh, and the design and style of the website will change. Now we have styled our .NET tenant using the media theme and the media theme deployment module. Let's view the page source and click on the CSS style link, and here is the site.css file which is coming from the media themes folder for my tenant, and here is the stylings. Now this is how you can deploy theme to your .NET tenant using the media theme and the media theme deployment module. Thank you. Next we talk about the deployment hook URL that the media theme deployment module provides, and you can invoke a deployment by sending a post request to the deployment hook address, and this is the deployment hook address. Now let's go to GitHub, and here is an example for webhooks. This is the actual URL for my .NET tenant with the password, and let's click update webhook, and we have successfully updated or added. In your case you will create it, and after adding a webhook to GitHub, whenever we push something to GitHub, whenever we push some CSS files or JavaScript files, those files will be automatically pushed or deployed to your media theme folder on .NET. Now sometimes you might even want to add some more JavaScript or CSS files to your .NET theme or tenant, and you can do that by creating a resources.cshtml file and then add CSS files and JavaScript files. And you can do that by this piece of code, script.include and the name of the JavaScript file, and style.include and the name of the CSS file. And you can even override shape templates by adding templates to your theme written in liquid markup language with the .liquid file extension. For this example we will be overriding the branding shape template, and the name of the file will be branding.liquid. And for this example we are just changing the branding .NET my tenant liquid template, and the current name is orchard.nest. Now let's copy these two files and add it to the theme, and let's come back to git extension and let's push these files, branding template added. And now let's come back to webhooks to just look at the recent deliveries and refresh, and here is the recent delivery. Now let's come back to the media theme deployment configuration. Currently there is no deployment queued. Let's refresh this. There is a deployment queued currently. Let's wait for a few seconds. After a few seconds the deployment is complete. Let's go to the media library, and here is the resources.cshtml file. And to check the branding.liquid template, go to templates, and here is the branding liquid template created or modified 25 seconds ago. Let's click on edit, and here is the branding.liquid template. Let's come back to the front end and refresh, and you can see the changes. We have changed the branding shape template. Now the name of the site is .NET my tenant liquid template. Let's view the page source, scroll down, and here is the jQuery.min.js file, and this is coming from the resources.cshtml file. So this is how you can use the deployment hook to automatically deploy all your CSS files, JavaScript files and images to DotNest whenever you push something to your GitHub repo or your Bitbucket repo. Thank you.